Hey everyone, this is Dr. Zachary here at Performance Sport and Spine, and today we're going over 6 exercises for tennis elbow. Tennis elbow is a common injury that presents over lateral pain over the elbow, and it's caused by an acute overload or blunt trauma, and it's made worse with gripping, pulling, or twisting. Research shows that we need to increase the capacity of the common extensor tendon, as well as address any deficits in the kinetic chain at the shoulder, shoulder blade, or thoracic spine. So wrist extension. So with your upper arm on a bench with a weight in your hand, you're going to lift your wrist up towards the ceiling with a slow tempo and then back down to neutral. The weight should be light to moderate, and we recommend 3 to 4 times a week, 2 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Now initially some people may better tolerate just an isometric where you just hold the weight, and again that would be 3 to 4 times a week, 2 sets of 20 seconds. So resisted rotation. So grab a dumbbell on one side with your upper arm supported on a bench, and you're going to rotate clockwise and then back. Again, slow tempo, 2 to 3 seconds both ways. And again, 3 to 4 times a week, 2 sets of 8 to 10 reps. And this will be more challenging, so you may have to do a lighter weight than the last exercise, but you'll have to try out to see what works. So the next exercise is to address any rotator cuff strength deficit. So laying on your side with your elbow at 90, grab a light weight. Rotate your weight up so the upper arm is parallel to the floor, and then press the weight over your head, keeping your wrist, elbow, and shoulder all in the same plane. Return to the starting position, bring the weight down to the floor, and then again, lift the weight up till your arm is parallel to the floor, pressing the weight overhead, keeping the wrist, elbow, and shoulder all in the same plane. Again, you should feel a gentle dual tension over your posterior shoulder or rotator cuff. We recommend 3 sets of 10 reps, 3 to 4 times a week. So the next exercise is to address any scapular or shoulder blade mobility issues. So you're using a tennis ball or a cross ball. You're going to place the ball under your shoulder blade, and then kind of using your downwards pressure into the floor, you're going to rub the ball around and find the tight spots. And typically you want to be on the inside of the shoulder blade or the bottom of the shoulder blade. There's not really a set time or reps for this, so just roll it around until you feel like you've kind of worked out all the knots in that shoulder blade. So it appears that some people dealing with tennis elbow also have radial nerve irritation. And as you can see from this picture, the radial nerve runs along the outside of your forearm. So to perform this mobilization, you're going to take the thumb of the affected hand inside your fingers and keep your elbow bent. And as you straighten your elbow, you're going to bring your neck down towards this side, and then you're going to tilt your hand and wrist away. As you bring your elbow back up, you're going to tilt your head away to the opposite side and then repeat. So as you straighten your elbow, bring your head towards the side and tilt the wrist away, maintaining pressure on your thumb. Again, you should feel some gentle dual tension over the outside of your arm, and it's important as you have tension on this side that you're bending your neck down towards this side. Now this is highly variable, so it may be helpful to do it every day, and some people may have to do it every other day. We recommend trying it a couple times a day, 1 set of 6 reps. The last exercise is to address any upper back or thoracic extension deficits. So you're going to get on your hands and knees with your heels on your buttocks, and you're going to round your upper back and then arch your upper back and to press your shoulder blades down towards your heels, extending your head. Again, you're going to round or arch your upper back, bringing your chin towards your sternum, and then arch your back backwards to pressing your shoulder blades or pressing your shoulder blades down towards your heels. Again, you should feel gentle dual tension over your upper back. We recommend 4 to 5 times a week, 2 sets of 8 to 10 reps of this. And again, all the motion or the emphasis should be on your upper back or that thoracic spine. So with tendon rehab, some pain and discomfort is going to be expected. So 2 criteria to help kind of know how to monitor it is the pain should be tolerable, less than 4 out of 10 typically on that pain scale, and the pain should dissipate within 24 hours. As this is an overuse injury, it may be helpful to temporarily reduce the activities that are provocative, and then as the tissues calm down, gradually increasing over time. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you found it beneficial, please like our video and subscribe to our channel, as it helps us reach a larger audience. In addition, if you have any questions, email us or leave a comment below.